Engineers are gearing up to build a road and rail line to link the nation's capital Copenhagen with Hamburg in Germany. This ambitious shortcut includes a pioneering megastructure, the longest submerged tunnel in the world. A 40-meter wide monster with room for 4 lanes of traffic and 2 train lines. To build a tunnel this large, the Danes will have to do something extraordinary. They will have to reshape their national border here in Lolland by 6 square kilometers to make a home for all the spoil that will be dug from the seabed during the project. The spoil will create new wetland nature reserves and beaches. It's the responsibility of Patrick Brahm to oversee the creation of Denmark's new frontier.
This project is the largest civil project in Europe at the moment. This is a project where people will talk about in 20 years' time. It's really nice to be part of it.
Today, Patrick's team are dropping in the first rocks of crushed granite that will form the new coastal outline. These stone walls will absorb the rough waves that hit this coast every winter, protecting the new land that will be built up behind them.
When we started the project, there was nothing. It was only sea. With the first installment of the rockworks, you could see the contour lines coming, and that was really a nice moment because you can physically see the progress of the work.
After 12 months, the wall is complete, and the offshore team can now start work on excavating the tunnel and dumping their spoil here to create the new land. The team use a giant digger to finally begin work on the tunnel trench. It hauls 34 cubic meters of seabed to the surface with every scoop and dumps it onto a barge. When the barges are full, they sail to Patrick's newly finished enclosure, and the sand and gravel slowly builds up the new land. Several months after the wall is finished, our aerial cameras reveal the emerging contours of Denmark's new south coast. Patrick's massive construction has taken 2.2 million tons of rock to complete and is proving a success, allowing the dumper trucks and diggers to drive on Denmark's new dredged land. Work will continue on this massive engineering project until 2029, when the new tunnel is complete and the first cars and trains will cross from Denmark to Germany.
Once the project is finished, it will feel like a big achievement. Building such a large project that you can see from satellite images, that's really nice. Basically reshaping a part of the world